The word best doesn't perfectly describe some handguns that we've seen make a solid entrance into the market. The word best doesn't perfectly describe some handguns that we've seen make a solid entrance into the market. However, it's close to it. A host of high-ranking manufacturers have put their best into producing top-grade handguns that aren't just another lame addition to the long list of handguns that already exist. They've put time, money, and wisdom into producing what we now believe to be the best handguns of all time, and we're super excited to be reviewing a few of them. This video is a must-watch for you if you're new to the world of handguns, because you need to be aware of the existence of these powerhouses. We'll tell you why they're outstanding and what makes them the best handguns of all time. From the highly ergonomic to the extremely powerful, you'll find a handgun that catches your eye or fits your budget, whether you're a newbie or an oldie. Let's check out the best handguns of all time. Rarely will you find a handgun as simple and efficient as the Colt CW9. Its incredible performance, despite its straightforward design, has made this handgun a go-to for people who are working with a tight budget but don't want the size of their wallet to prevent them from having a great handgun. One outstanding feature of the Colt CW9, aside from the simplicity of its design, is its ultra lightweight, which makes it an ideal concealed carry gun. Chambered in the renowned 9mm chamber, the pistol is one of the most reliable self-defense weapons you can carry daily. Its ease of use and comfort are giving, and with as low as $352, you can purchase a Colt CW9 in perfect working conditions. If you ever wondered if getting a cool compact handgun that offers maximum firepower while still maintaining its CCW features is possible, it's time to stop wondering, because this pistol is an example of such a handgun. Now this one's a household name. The Springfield Armory Prodigy 1911 DS frankly has the neatest design you'll ever come across in any firearm. The attention to detail is evident in how the parts are finally fitted together. The flawless engineering of the Springfield Armory Prodigy 1911 DS isn't easy to come by. Its forged carbon steel frame and slide are coated with a black Cerakote finish, which gives it a sleek, elegant look. But beyond the appearance of this pistol, its performance makes it undeniably one of the best handguns of all time. Its flawless design inside out enhances the pistol's delivery of powerful, accurate shots. Its solid weight and firm build improve its stability and help to absorb the recoil. Not only is this handgun pretty, but it's also high performing, with its price tag of $1,499 matching its capabilities. Great engineering combined with an excellent ergonomics make the Springfield Armory Prodigy DS a unique handgun. In the history of striker-fired pistols, there's never been one dedicated to satisfying the needs of the striker-fired market, such as the Heckler Koch VP9. This pistol stands as a force in the striker-fired market, and since its introduction, it's remained highly sought after and adored among shooters. Its hammer-forged polygonal barrel, ambidextrous controls, and standard features are all so well designed that they perform to the fullest, making this handgun outstanding. Whether you're looking for self-defense or home defense handgun, the VP9 is a great investment of cash, and when they say you get the worth of your money, it's not some sweet talk meant to strip you of every dime you have. It's real talk, and you indeed get the worth of your money. Whether you're more concerned about the trigger pull, reload speed, and slide operation, in the Heckler Koch VP9, you get a gun that caters to all your needs. With less than $1,000, but a bit above $900, you can get yourself a lifelong treat with this bad boy. The interesting thing about the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield is that it's chambered in many rounds, providing an array of options for shooters to choose from while offering the same standard performance. However, on our list of best handguns of all time, the M&P Shield in 9mm makes the cut. It's a high-quality compact pistol that sits well above the crowd for its awesome usefulness in concealed carry. With a very short barrel and quality textured grip, The M&P Shield 9mm design allows you to the best grip and hundreds of rounds without worrying that the pistol will fall out of shape. It's amazing how a manufacturer can make many different variants of a single model, yet they're all built on a solid platform that allows them to be individually unique. That's what Smith & Wesson has done with the M&P Shield series. To think that a pistol like this one comes at a budget-friendly price of $429 to $500 shows that quality can still be delivered at an affordable price. Tactical handguns don't really get better than how the FN 509 Tactical comes. When you're not just concerned about the appearance of your pistol, but are also big on accuracy level, reliability, and durability, the handgun you should be looking to wield is the FN 509 Tactical. This iconic handgun has many features supposedly designed and engineered to cater to tactical needs. It's suppressor ready, and you don't get that all on the average striker-fired pistol. The back strap is interchangeable, it has a standard accessory rail, an extractor that also acts as a chamber indicator, an aggressive slide serration, and major controlled are ambidextrous. Of course, it's optics ready as it should be, and the sights are top-notch, giving accurate images to help in aiming for the right shots. With an MSRP starting from $929, this handgun can cost as much as $1,104. I can go on and on about the many features that aid the 509's usefulness as a tactical pistol, but we have more handguns to discover, so let's keep it moving. A classic revolver that stood the test of time, the Smith & Wesson Model 686 remains iconic for years to come. You don't get many revolvers as heavy as this one, yet it doesn't feel like all the weight is packed on one end of the gun. For a revolver 42 ounces heavy, the Model 686 sure has a balanced weight that enhances consistent shots. Its cylinder and ejector shroud aren't made like that of traditional revolvers. They're made of quality materials and in perfect condition for maximum efficiency. The Model 686 is more suitable for home defense as it can make it a burden to carry. However, if one ever decides to carry it, one thing's for sure. They get the ultimate shooting experience, and they can look forward to feeling like a star of the show. Costing $600 and above, this iconic firearm remains one of the most dependable wheel guns you'll ever come across, and if at any point you have some cash to spare, investing in it now while it's still accessible wouldn't be a bad idea. Glock has manufactured legendary handguns over the years, and the Glock 19X is hard to ignore. Hadn't seen a pistol that performs so incredibly well that it outshines every other model before it, with those after it trying so hard to live up to the standards set by the iconic G19X. When the original Glock 19 was produced, it felt like the market had seen the peak of excellence, but then the Glock 19X came, and it made us wonder if there'll ever be an end to innovation. Built to be stupendously dependable, the G19X is impossible to wield this pistol and not think about as one of a kind. Classic and designed with the best ergonomics, it offers an array of features that blend together and make the pistol easy to use despite its astounding firepower. For as long as this handgun remains on the market, the standard of what a great pistol should be like will stay high, and whichever pistol fails to live up to expectations stands the risk of being overshadowed by Glock's masterpiece, the Glock 19X. Glock offers this high-performing firearm at a little above $600, which again proves that the quality of a handgun is in its performance, not its price tag. It's been a long ride to this point, and we hope that you find your list truly consists of only the best handguns around. We'd appreciate your support, so if you want more content like this, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. If this video interests you, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to comment on your favorite handguns. That said, let's get back right to it. The Walther PDP has made a lasting impression on the world of firearms. The company has always been known for producing premium handguns, but the Walther PDP exceeds all expectations. With the pistol now available in different sizes and configurations, there's no doubt that the PDP is intended to dominate the market in no small way. With this handgun, personal defense has never been more effective, and the more you wield the PDP, the more you'll uncover its capabilities. If you never find any gun fascinating or high-performing enough, it may be because you've never really had a taste of the power and authority the Walther PDP commands. Whether in summer or winter, the PDP is able to get the job done. It offers maximum firepower and a shooting experience that one can't help but talk about. The military and police find this a great combat pistol, and civilians are equally not left out of the experience. Going for just $650 to $699, the Walther PDP rarely leaves a collection wanting more. One of the pistols, if not the ultimate, that has come to stay by making a deep cut in the concealed carry market is the sauer P365. You can only claim to be well into concealed carry handguns once you've checked out the CCW champion. Everything about the SIG P365 is tailored to offer the ultimate concealed carry experience. For a handgun that doesn't cost a fortune, yet is dynamic in its work, it just demonstrates the power that can be packed in a small package. Make no mistake, the sauer P365 may be one of the many compact pistols on the market. However, its head is high above the waters, as it's not saddled with all the inconveniences that come with shooting an average compact pistol. The recoil, grip, bullet velocity, sights, and capacity are all great features of the P365 that stand unique in the concealed carry niche. This seasoned pistol checks the durability, reliability, consistency, and affordability boxes without raising a finger. With some $599, the sauer P365 could be yours for the taking. You never talk about premium pistols and leave the CZ Shadow 2 Compact out of the equation. That'd be insane. Commendable for its sleek slide finish and trigger action, this handgun has turned out to be a masterpiece among all of CZ's productions. Sure, there are other pistols by the manufacturer that have specific qualities they are known for. However, the Shadow 2 Compact is in a league of its own. Its high capacity and maximum firepower are uncommon for a pistol of its size, yet it's been known as an all-rounder, valuable in any situation. Like its predecessors, the Shadow 2 Compact is an ultra-wide, high-performing pistol. It has spun the market with its performance and is still spinning the metallic compact pistols category. The CZ Shadow 2 Compact is priced at $1,000. Permit me to call the Beretta 92FS an ancient pistol. Its respect in the industry has lasted for as long as the pistol has existed, and each time, one good quality of the Beretta 92FS keeps coming to light as the years roll by. If you've been in the military, chances are you've had to wield this gun at one point or another. When they talk about service pistols that do exactly what they're designed for and nothing else, the Beretta 92FS has to be part of that discussion. The ruggedness of the handgun makes it an indisputable force to be reckoned with, whether in self-defense, home defense, range shooting, or competition. When variants of the pistol emerged in different colors, the beauty of the Beretta 92FS became more apparent, revealing that a handgun can be fine and highly efficient simultaneously. Moreover, you need to keep up to $1,000 to purchase a nicely looking, astonishingly performing Beretta 92FS. Introducing the ultimate Canic pistol of all time, the Canic TP9 Elite Combat. Born from a series of handguns with astounding accuracy and a mind-blowing performance, the TP9 Elite Combat is Canic's choicest piece that commands the attention of everyone who gets a glimpse of its capabilities. One compelling feature is its salient arm's threaded match-grade barrel and trigger that enhance the gun's shootability, making it soft shooting and smooth. Its compatibility of its sight mounting plate with almost all MRDS available makes it easy to utilize according to taste. Despite the force with which it fires, the TP9 Elite Combat still maintains a low recoil and minimal muzzle flip. Where this handgun is involved, penetrating power, accuracy, and most of all, reliability are no issues of concern. With such a fancy look and great performance, the TP9 Elite Combat costs around $755. This handgun could be a solid addition to your pistol collection. If the Colt 1911 government wasn't on the list, I bet some of y'all would have been really cheesed that such a remarkable and renowned handgun was left out of a list containing the best handguns of all time. Well, there's no need for that now, because we recognize what it means to have a handgun like the Colt 1911 Government on the market today. This handgun embodies what a true 1911 should be, and if there ever comes a time when 1911s become a thing of the past, this model will be remembered as a 1911 that stood the test of time and endured to the end. For its unparalleled accuracy, indisputable durability, and enchanting simplicity, the Colt 1911 Government remains an iconic handgun that'll forever be in the hearts of its wielders. The .357 Magnum finds full expression in the loins of the Colt Python. Composed of high penetrating power, immense speed, and accuracy, the force contained in the Colt Python is nothing any amateur can stand. It takes experience and an unflinching courage to handle the Colt Python. Dubbed the Rolls-Royce of Colt, the Python is a classic revolver produced from premium materials and crowned with a premium price of $1,274. True to the quality its maker is reputable for, the Python is highly durable and can withstand tough conditions thanks to its ruggedness. The Colt Python might be just the best present for your grandpa. It'll take him back in time and remind him of the good days if he doesn't already own a Colt Python. This handgun has a special place in the hearts of seniors in the game. That wraps up our review of the best handguns of all time. In the comments section, tell us which handguns are your favorites and why you love them. We're working endlessly to ensure we bring you exclusive content, and by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button, you encourage us to keep up the work, so please don't leave without liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We have a lot more coming up, so do keep an eye out, stay safe, and thanks for watching.